Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Yarnoculus and welcome to part 9 of my lowercase alphabet blanket. If you landed here directly, we are in the midst of making this gorgeous blanket and today we're gonna cover rows number 81 to 98. Okay, before we go there, please know that part 1 of this series has all the information about the materials used in this project, the stitches used, the size of the finished blanket and everything else you need to get started on this project. So check out part 1 and all of the previous parts are neatly arranged in a playlist right here. So that's gonna help you get up to speed and crochet along with me. Lastly, it's gonna mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel and crochet along with me. Alright then, let's not waste any more time and go straight to the pattern for row number 81. Let's go. Okay everyone, so far so good. We are ready to start with row number 81. So for row number 81, chain 1 and turn your work. Start with 6 single crochets and a bobble stitch. Okay, 6 single crochets again. And then we need 3 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet. So let's do that. Okay, 8 single crochets after that. And let's do a bobble after the 8 single crochets. Six single crochets next. Bobble in the next. Five single crochets next. Bobble in the next. 6 single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Seven single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Four single crochets next. Bobble in the next stitch. Six single crochets next. Bobble in the next stitch. Six single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Four single crochets next. Bobble in the next. Seven single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Seven single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Two single crochets next. bobble in the next stitch, single crochet in the next, and a bobble in the next stitch. Okay, let's do 6 single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. And the last thing on this row would be 6 single crochets. Chain 1, turn your work. You know very well what to do for row number 82. It's gonna be a row of single crochet in every stitch. Get that done and see me back for row number 83. Okay everyone, once you're done with row number 82, chain 1 and turn your work for row number 83. Alright, we'll start row number 83 with 6 single crochets. A bobble in the next. (19) single crochets after that. And a bobble stitch in the next stitch. Do 7 single crochets after that. And then we need 3 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet, so do that. And after the third bobble stitch, we need to put in 7 single crochets. A bobble in the next. Do 7 single crochets again. After the 7 single crochets, we need 3 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet for the letter P. After the third bobble stitch, put in 7 more single crochets. And then a bobble in the next stitch. Seven single crochets again. And we need 3 more pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet for the letter Q. Seven single crochets after the third bobble stitch. Bobble in the next stitch. Seven single crochets after that. Bobble in the next stitch. Three single crochets after the bobble. Bobble in the next. And 7 single crochets after the bobble. Put a bobble after that. And let's end this row with 6 single crochets. That was your row number 83. For row 84, chain 1, turn your work and do a row of single crochet in every stitch. I'll meet you back here for row number 85. Okay everyone, so you are done with row number 84. For row 85, chain 1 and let's turn our work. Okay, for row number 85, we'll start with 6 single crochets. Put a bobble in the next stitch. Do 19 single crochets after the bobble. And that's going to be your repeat for the whole of row number 85. So let's see what we need to do here. So you need to do a bobble stitch and 19 single crochets for each of these letters, each of these hexagon. We just did it for the letter N, and now you're gonna do a bobble stitch after that, 19 single crochets for the letter O. For the hexagon of the letter O, bobble stitch 19 single crochets for the hexagon of P, bobble stitch 19 single crochets for Q, bobble stitch 19 single crochets for the letter R. After the 19 single crochets you do for the letter R, you'll be left with one last bobble stitch, and after that bobble stitch you'll be left with 6 single crochets to end row number 85, just like you started. Okay, so get that done, chain 1 here, turn your work and then get row number 86 also done, and we are almost to the end of this bunch of letters. So you're gonna repeat the rows 31 to 40, which is gonna give you the next 10 rows and complete this bunch of alphabets. And the pattern for the next 10 rows is gonna look like this. Okay, get these 10 rows done. That's gonna get you to row number 96, and meet me back when we are ready for row number 97. Okay everyone, so once you're done with row number 96, you should see your blanket come up very nicely, just like this. And the last thing you would have completed would be N, O, P, Q and R. And now it's time for the next bunch of letters, and we're gonna do I, J, K, L and M. Okay, after row number 96, let's start with row number 97. And for row number 97, chain 1, turn your work, and by now your blanket must have been fairly big, so just turn it around carefully, and we are all set to start with row number 97. Alright, for row number 97, we'll start with 6 single crochets. A bobble in the next. Nine single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Nine single crochets next. Put a bobble in the next stitch. Seven single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Single crochet in the next, and a bobble in the next. Okay, put 9 single crochets after that. Bobble in the next stitch. Six single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. single crochet, bobble, two single crochets after the bobble, and a bobble after that. Alright, put 7 single crochets after the bobble, bobble in the next, eight single crochets next, bobble in the next, single crochet, bobble in the next, 8 single crochets after that, bobble in the next, six single crochets next, bobble in the next, three single crochets after that, a bobble in the next, three single crochets again, bobble in the next, 4 single crochets, a bobble, and we'll end row number 97 with 6 single crochets. Okay, chain 1, turn your work, and we can do row number 98, which is a row of single crochet in every stitch. Go ahead, do that, and meet me back here for row number 99. Okay everyone, I think it's a good time to stop for today. I'll be back with the next bunch of rows very soon. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, comments or suggestions for me, please mention them in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to all of your comments. I'm gonna leave you with that today, and until next time, take care and happy crocheting.